5 years, 10 exam batches, thousands of successful students. And now, the final batch of the current syllabus. There has never been a better opportunity to conquer corporate and strategic levels under the guidance of Sri Lanka's most successful lecture panel for this syllabus. Meet the experts guiding your success. The Master of Auditing in Sri Lanka, a chartered accountant and the only partner in a global audit firm lecturing for CA exams. Vipula Bandara.
Partner is responsible now that being his engagement team, and the engagement team definition is now expanded in a very clear manner. Key application we learned under the Code of Best Practice on Corporate Governance, we learned the board balance.
Guiding you through CL1 Advanced Audit and Assurance and the auditing part of SL1 Advanced Business Reporting. The financial reporting expert in Sri Lanka, a chartered accountant and a key member of the management team in a leading financial institution. Chamath Siriwardana.
What kind of environmental sustainability as a world we should have? What kind of a social equity? It is not the real case. You have to go into deeper and to understand the preference share whether it's equity or financial life.
Teaching CL2 Financial Reporting and Governance and the financial reporting part of SL1 Advanced Business Reporting. The trailblazer in management, accounting and financial management education in Sri Lanka. A chartered accountant and an international business consultant, Hashan Vaduge.
This is, you have to discount again to year 0. That is why you put 751 again. When you transfer these internally, you charge a price. We call that price as what?
Guiding you in CL3 Advanced Management Accounting and SL2 Corporate Finance and Risk Management. The best law lecturer in Sri Lanka and attorney practicing similar cases every day. Chalana Pereira.
This interim order is invalidated and the final judgment would be pronounced. As per section 270 subsection A.
Teaching CL4 Corporate Law. The tax expert in Sri Lanka, a tax manager in an international firm, Rukshan Pudivela.
You power to withhold on behalf of me, right? Just show me the TIN certificate, right? If it is a 25% is greater, forget about the actual expenses. You just take only 25%.
Guiding you in SL3 Corporate Taxation. The best strategy lecturer in Sri Lanka. A business consultant in Canada with multinational experience. Trevin Hannibal.
Segmentation, targeting and positioning, and recommend a suitable marketing mix.
Teaching SL4 Strategic Management and Leadership. This is your final chance to learn from the best. The choices you make now will determine your path forward in the new syllabus. Are you ready to secure your success? onlineaccounting.lk